Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say. I've been moving so long, the days all feel the same.
Hello and good morning to Wanna Go Biking. We're still on the Isle of Wight, but about to leave it. Unfortunately, we're going to Yarmouth Harbour and then take the ferry, hopefully, to Lymington, not quite sure, and then head up to the New Forest to eventually, at the end of the day, meet up with my friend Jens. So that should be fun. So yeah, I see some clouds, so I'm quite keen on finding out what the weather's going to be. So Bert-Jan, any ideas? Any suggestions? No suggestions?
No weather.
No weather? Okay, well, that's it today. No weather. See you later. Yarmouth Pier, nice. Just waiting to catch our ferry. We had to wait an hour and a half, but it was alright. Had a nice coffee and breakfast, and then it's off to the mainland again, to Lymington, and then yeah, a nice trip hopefully into the New Forest. So that should be fun. This again much more overcast than advertised, so that's a bit of a pity, but well, temperature's still very nice.
Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I
That should be our ferry.
slide through my
Wild horses. Right, we just left Lymington. It was on a very, very busy road, so it was not good. But we're now on a side track towards Brockenhurst, so let's see if we can get some lunch there.
I watched you suffer. Now you decided to show me the same. No sweet vein exists. Oh, off stage lines could make me feel bitter. Treat you unkindly.
Here in the field you see a specimen of the Homo sapiens at work. Well, taking us about 15k to my friend's place, but as we're so early, we'll probably be taking a detour, and why not? Very beautiful up here. Wild horses. Hello. Hey guys. Good mind. Thank you.
I know I've dreamed you.
Right, it's about time for a break. We've only had 2 coffee breaks so far, so it's about time for a third, well, a snack break. So yeah, see you after the break. Well, we seem to be stuck, so we thought we would be crossing this road But this is a dual carriageway, the A31, and we can't cross it, and we're not going to ride on the shoulder of it either. So that's another 25k. Yeah, most unfortunate, but I did look on the map. No, nothing we can do about it now. So we'll just head back. Hello! Hey, man. What a super.
Have a nibble on.
Yeah.
Somebody does have a nibble on.
Hey, hello.
Say hello to Adrian.
Hello there.
Huh? Hey, it's been too long. How are you?
Heel goed.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hey.
Right, this is Otto.
Hi, mate. Hi. How are you?
Good, you?
Long time no see. Hi, I'm Peter. So that's it from us from the New Forest. I'm now joined by my, well, sorry you're in it, my friend Jens and Paddy Jannes here, of course. So thanks for watching, enjoy your ride, stay safe out there and see you in the next video.